Okay, a few people have been saying with the new concavex movement, as you can see, it can do a 360, and of course it's very unstable, and I suppose it's not the thing you want to do as we do in high rise with fiddling around with that sort of stuff. So what we've done here is we've put this on the handle, and as you can see it centralises itself. And we also did one for the yellow disc one. As you can see, we just put a couple of holes and we've put rubber bands on here, and I'll just show you. Just put that aside, and what we used was a crochet needle. Got this one from the wife, and zip ties, small zip ties like this one, and finally a couple of rubber bands, good heavy duty ones like we got here. So anyway, what you do is you get your disc here, and what you do is get the crochet needle and you thread the rubber band through like this. Here you get the zip tie and just put that through. Just pull a bit tight here. And then you do the other side. Reach it around the back there and you pull it through like this, and then you thread the zip tie through the hole here. A little bit of trouble sort of getting it, but I'll get it. So right, you put it through. Take this out, and then you put the zip tie together like this. You then pull it tightly like that, and it's ready to go. And as you can see, it's not going to spin around, it's just going from side to side. And no matter how loose it is, it'll always go side to side like that. And now you got that one, you got this one, and of course you can do this with the yellow disc one too. And well, I suppose that's about it.